Here's an interesting app called Zoplo, post-vote debate, fun social polling. So let's just install it and see how this app works. It's getting into the top charts in in some countries. It's not that viral yet. It's not viral on TikTok, whatever, but it's getting closer. So poll friends, neighbors, and the wider world, hot topics, and just for fun. So for example, what's the bigger issue? AI taking over the world or global poverty? Personalized poll feed, settle the debate, celebrate your similarities, climb the leaderboard. It's basically like a social polling app. And here it is. You can just tap sign up, and then you can just tap sign in with Apple, for example, and then you just sign in from here. And then to create an account, okay, let's just create an account here. Then current events, for example, I need to allow notifications. And then you will see like different types of polls. And then you just have all the types of weird polls. I don't know what's the point of it, but you're just spending some time, and then and then you can see quite a lot of people are polling, and actually like the first response gets a lot of much bigger percentage. Or maybe not. And then you can just browse like that. Then you can just search it. Then you can see your profile, and then you can see voted in, posted, how to post your own poll. You can create your own poll from here, and then there are some settings. There are account settings. If you wanna, you can just delete your account from here. You can add your profile picture. You can add some permission. That's the app. And I don't know, here, some people see some popularity. You can collect followers, and then just create your own polls. Create a Zop, no photo, type your question, and then just add some tags. Like something like that, and then you can select interest, for example, travel, lifestyle, travel, I don't know, for example, something like that, and then just tap post. Your job has been posted, and then and then people can reply. So that's the idea. Oh no, that's what it is. But hope that's helpful.